Good morning, writers. We have been practicing writing full and complete sentences. Remember that when writing full and complete sentences, you need to make sure you include correct punctuation and capitalization, as well as including a subject and a verb. Good writers always include these in their sentences to make sure that their writing is easy for whoever is reading it. So today I'm going to show you how to create different sentences using different words. So on my little board here, I have what goes into sentence building. So we have capitalization, punctuation, and word order. And when you're writing, you need to make sure that you have all of these things and that they all are correct so that your sentences are easy to read. So for example, if I gave you the words like and to, and I asked you to create a sentence using the words like and to. So let me see, I can brainstorm of a sentence that I could create using the words like and to. So I could say, I like to, I can start with that. That's easy and simple. I like to. Now what can I put for the rest of my sentence? I like to go to school. Go to school. So now my sentence says, I like to go to school. So now I need to look back at my sentence building chart and make sure that I have all of these requirements that go into making sure my sentence is easy to read for my readers. So first, do I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence? Yes, I do. I like to go to school. The I at the beginning of the sentence is capitalized. Now, do I have correct punctuation? I do not have punctuation, so I need to add a punctuation mark at the end of my sentence. Now I need to think about what kind of punctuation mark I am going to include in my sentence. Am I asking a question? No. Am I exclaiming something? Like, am I really excited about something? I could be really excited about liking to go to school, but I think that this is more of a general sentence, so I am just going to use a period. Now I need to make sure that my words are in order and that they make sense for my readers. I like to go to school. That makes sense, so my word order is correct. Now, let's say that I have the words dog and house. So if I give you the words dog and house, and I ask you to come up with a sentence using those two words, what could we say? Let's think. So dog and house. So I know that a dog is usually at someone's house. So I could say something like that. I know I have a dog at my house. So for my sentence, I could say, I have a dog at my house. So I have a dog at my house. Okay. I have a dog at my house. So now I can look back at my sentence building criteria and make sure that it matches my sentence that I created. So do I have correct capitalization in my sentence? So when I start my sentence, I know that I always need to include a capital letter. So I'm going to change the lowercase I to a capital I. Okay? So now we have that checked off. Now let's see if we have the correct punctuation. I have a dog at my house. I don't have a period, exclamation mark, or a question mark. So now I need to find out which one I am going to use. So I don't think I'm asking a question. I don't think I'm exclaiming something. So I think I am just going to include a period. So I have a dog at my house, period. So now I have my capital letter. I have a punctuation point at the end. And now I need to check and make sure my word order makes sense. I have a dog at my house. Can you understand that when I read it? Yes. Do I understand it when I read it? Yes. So my word order is correct. Okay? So that is how you can build a sentence using 2 words. You are going to think in your brain what sentence you could come up with using those 2 words, and then you are going to write it out and make sure that you include a capital letter, a punctuation mark, and that it all makes sense. So now I want you guys to try on your own. So I'm going to give you a list of words. I'm going to write a list of words on the board that you and someone in the class can work together, and you guys can create sentences together on your own, okay? And I'm going to walk around and help you guys if you need me to, but I'm going to write out the list of words. And remember the 3 things that you need to include in your sentence being capital letters, a punctuation mark, and making sure it makes sense when you read it, okay? Because good writers always make sure that they have those elements in their writing so that readers can easily read their sentences.